What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review comparison. Let's talk about these two shoes, my two most recent pickups. If you like what you see in the video, make sure you smash the like button, share the video so more people in the world can see it. And of course, leave comments on both shoes. Anything else that you have questions about, let me know in the comment section. Follow me on everything, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Everything's in the description box below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about these shoes, you dig? Okay, without further ado, we're going to talk about these bad boys. If you guys, like I said, been following me, then you know where I got these from. I picked up these ADIDAS Adidas collabs from Undefeated. I got these from Shoe Palace over there in Northridge Mall. Both are great places to find some shoes. If you guys are looking for things that, you know, I don't know, if you're looking for stuff, those are two good stores to go to. I don't know what else to say. But, man, both of these shoes are dope. Of course, one's from Nike, one's from Adidas. This is not a swoosh or stripes video. You know, swoosh or stripes. It's up to you, but just let me know what you guys think about these two shoes. I just want to go over why I got them and what I think about them and why I like them. I don't know what to do, but without further ado, let's get to the shoes, and we're going to go ahead and go with the KD11. Now, this KD11 Gold Splatter or Championship Edition depends on what you guys want to call it, man. This shoe is very dope. I like the details of the shoe. It got a lot going on. It's a darker color shoe. It's not bright like the Peach Jams. It's a darker color shoe with a little bit of gold hints. Look like paint splatter all over them bad boys. We'll get up close and personal visuals so you guys can see the details on the shoe and see if you guys like it or not. I don't know if you guys have seen my review on these shoes or not, but if not, this is the video. You guys can check them out. I'll get an up close and personal visuals for these and an on feet in this video. The bottom is pretty dope because it comes out like in a black and gray camo design going on here. And of course, this KD11 is a very dope shoe because it has dual technology, which is Nike React and Nike Zoom Air at the bottom and midsole of the shoe. So it's really good for you to do it on the court, for you to play with these on the court. This is definitely a basketball shoe. I mean, maybe you could freak it and rock it with, you know, rock it as a casual shoe, but it's more so definitely built for basketball. $150 price point, very dope shoe, dope colorway, easy to keep clean. And then the gold splatter marks all over it just fly. You got the stitched in KD logo here, and then you have the stitched in Nike check, which is something I like about shoes when they have stitched in or engraved situations going on the shoe, whatever term you want to use there. Then it has the whole flight and upper, and it has like this collar, which makes it really easy to put on and off. It's not something heavy on your shoe, so it doesn't pull on your Achilles or give you any kind of, like, you know, sock type marks around your ankles like some shoes might. Very dope shoe, very comfortable. I want to know what you guys think about these KD11s. The gold splatters is what the most so general release name of these are. If you guys are gonna cop these, let me know. If you guys own a pair of KD11s, let me know what you guys think about them. Just let me know your overall opinions on these shoes and anything in this video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the other shoe that is in this video, which is something I think is fire. I like this shoe a little bit more just because I just like the design of it, man. It's a very dope shoe. It's an Ultra Boost Uncaged. The ETUDES Adidas Consortium collab came out maybe like a week ago. These actually dropped October 1st, 2018, so if you want to cop them, you can. It's a little bit of early review. I'm not sure when I'm dropping this video, but these come out October 1st. These dropped maybe like last week. Not sure the exact name, the date actually, but these came out last week, and I was just happy to find them, man. I went to Undefeated the other day to try to enter the raffle for them off-white blazers, and I saw these, bro. I wanted to cop them before, but I wasn't able to, and luckily I've been able to, you know, make some things happen. These are fire. It's a blue upper, the knit, of course, the prime knit already. You already know, prime knit. And what I like about the shoe is how it's blue, and it has them 6 stars on it to make, okay, when you put both the shoes together, it makes like a full circle. You guys gotta look it up and check out the history for the ETUDES brand, and you guys will understand a little bit more about that. This shoe right here comes with 3 laces. The colors that's here already, which is a blue dominant with black speckles. Then they have another one which is black dominant with blue speckles, and then they just have plain black laces, which lets you get 3 different options and looks of how you want to make your shoe look. You know what I'm saying? I like it like this. There's no reason to change it. But maybe the black laces might look crazy. Maybe the other ones, I don't know. We'll check them out. But you gotta love the whole Boost midsole, black Boost midsole. See, these are dope. If these were blue with a white midsole, I would kind of be good on them. But because it came out with a black midsole, fire shoe. Of course, pull tab on the front and back part of the ankle, easy for you to put these shoes on, just like with the KD11s. Nike and Adidas is doing something similar with that stuff, making these shoes easier to put on. But let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Kind of at the bottom, very dope shoe, man. I like both of these, bruh. The KD 11s and these Adidas Ultra Boost A2 collab. Too dope. Let me know what you think about these in the thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Woo! All over the place, man. Just a lot of heat in here. It's getting hot in here. The sun's beaming. I'm having a good time. Hopefully you guys are wherever you are in the universe. We're going to get to the up close and personal visuals of both the shoes plus and on feet. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. It's your boy Bossco. Thank you for taking the time out to watch me. I'll have a great day. You have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Deuces.
and I'm right.